Hello and welcome to another modelling video. This is Alan from the Man at YouTube with another model review, pretty much tying up and showing the finished results of the 2016 Gunpla Builders World Cup project of the mass production Qubeley, utilising 3D printed parts and learning various new methods that created quite a bit of content for this channel. If you want to check out the entirety of the process, which will not be covered in this video, the playlist and links are down below, including the full work in progress series, spanning across 11 videos, detailing each step over a several to 10-month process in building the master grade itself, polishing, producing the parts, casting, all sorts of different methods I had at my disposal, and tools all rammed into a single project with a full commentary. This also kicked off a number of tutorials and reviews in the workshop series and other wings, including repairing damaged paint. A favourite of mine, 3D printing parts for Gunpla tutorial, which mostly revolves around design foresight and CAD work, as well as reviewing a professional print from Officeworks Australia, more sandpaper polishing tutorials to get that very slick wet look gloss finish, and something that kicked a lot of discussion videos off, discussing the 2017 and onwards Gunpla Builders World Cup rule sets and general guides to entering the competition and getting a sense of how to be competitive under their framework. This build does have a bit of controversy, at least personally to me, to the reason why I haven't decided to talk about it or show it off in a very long time, and even the amount of time it took to repair it. It was intended to be entered in the 2017 Gunpla Builders World Cup, though did not make the deadline due to issues with registration, a bit of damage through the transportation process, and allowing my place to a friend whose details were lost completely in the system. The video that you're looking at right now is showing off the transportation and assembly on display currently in Camberwell Gundams Plus, Melbourne, Australia. Though with the negative set aside, it really was a flagship build for me, and probably one of the very best I've ever produced, trying to push the envelope in a lot of things that I was developing and playing with that not quite a lot of people were attempting on the scene. I really wanted to do a metallic high gloss finish, utilizing different shades of metallic paint and a lot of surface preparation, polishing, sanding, all that sort of stuff, scratch built detailing, casting resin for the very first time, adding funnels onto a clear pipe work, and utilizing and pushing the envelope of 3D printing, as well as sculpting with putty to reproduce a mobile suit that appeared in a scene by scene from two Gundam animes, and creating a model kit that Bandai has not released before in a standardized styrene kit. There is a third-party version floating around, as well as various resin kits. The diorama and the idea of the smoke ball and all that was to depict a scene that I screenshot and showed in the work in progress from the anime. It's not image by image perfect, but at a quick glance you do see a custom model that you definitely know is not straight off the shelf. Looking at it finally on display, and after everything that's passed and the issues that's gone through, I'm very happy that it's finally been finished, displayed, and I'm able to talk about it and show it off in this video. Not 100% perfect by a stretch of the imagination, very chunky to the vintage old school look. In the end, very happy how it's come out, more than happy to display it wherever it goes. Thank you very much for watching. As always, until next time, stay tuned for further content. Very large, ambitious builds are probably not going to happen like this on the channel for a very long time. Heading in a different sort of direction in content creating as well as other engagement in the hobby. Very excited to see where the future goes, though it'll still be quite innovative and very different to other content you may be consuming hobby-wise. Catch you guys next time.